A while back, Samsung released their phone, their first ever folding phone. Not the first ever folding phone, but the first ever Samsung folding phone. And I got excited. Since I'm a tech fan, I got excited. How the fuck is it possible to make a phone fold? You know, how are you able to do it with glass screens? How do you come up on doing that? You know, and I was excited to see that. But then Samsung launched the phone and they had some problems, some durability problems, especially with the screen. The slightest minor fucking dust particle can ruin your whole fucking screen interface. So they fixed that and they launched it, and that phone had major success. But if you were an Apple fan, you did not get as excited as somebody who is like the basic Samsung fan like myself. But today I have news to get you excited. I've read about it like a week or so ago, and I didn't want to cover it because I've read about it again, but you know, today I'm going to cover it. And it's about to get you excited. And you know what could get you also excited? Pause. Get your mind out of the fucking gutter, bro. I'm talking about subscribing to my channel. If you were talking about some baddie milfs, big juicy honkers, I get that too. But yeah, anyway, today I have an article here by Mac Rumors, you know, the popular website by Mac Rumors that says iPhone are, for example, first of all, let me talk about the first article that I saw. The first article that I saw said that iPhone are coming out with their first ever foldable phone in 2023. But then I don't know why they took it down, but they have a new article today that says Apple is about to release a MacBook, a whole ass PC that is foldable. That's pretty much the MacBook foldable, but with a foldable screen, not the foldable PC, because that's the basic function of a PC. It folds. But I'm talking about screens. And when we talk about screens, that's pretty much amazing. And they said that the phone release has been delayed to 2025. That's why I didn't cover it in the first place, but now I'm willing to talk about it. So, iPhone folding phone. How would they do it? Would they go about the Samsung way? Because Huawei tried doing it differently, because Samsung folds on the inside and Huawei tried doing it folding on the outside. That worked for a second, but it had major durability issues and they canceled it and they went with the Samsung route. Folding on the inside. Pretty good, but it's not as good as Samsung did it. Samsung did an amazing job. Huawei had a slim phone, but I'm interested in seeing how would iPhone do it? How would Apple, I keep calling it iPhone, how would Apple do it, you know? Because I'm a consumer of tech. I like tech and I like to see new things. And I'm interested into seeing how Apple does it and what problems will they have and how will they overcome them. Because, for example, if you come up with the exact same phone, same specs on this phone that is going to be twice as thick as a regular iPhone, but have the same specs, just it folding and being like a huge toll on my pocket and on my fucking health overall, because that shit is going to break my fucking bank and break my fucking back and legs probably, you know, because I'm gonna have a leg stronger than the other one. But you know, I'm excited to see what they do. Will it be slimmer? How would they go about creating the technology of the folding screen? I've heard they are trying to make it, you know, magnetic. For example, when you fold the phone, it's two different screens. When you open it, it connects magnetically into one complete screen. No bezel, no like seam in the middle, no like obvious splitting like Windows tried to do. Nothing like that, just one complete screen. I'm excited to see what they do about it. I'm excited to see what route will they take, how would they go about it, what new features, will it be thick, will it be slim? Because listen, when Samsung came out with that folding phone, everyone was going crazy about it because it's Samsung. But the industry does not really wake up to the fucking hype until iPhone does something. That's why most phones wait for Apple to drop their product first, then they can see if they can drop this product to compete with that one, or they cannot, because it doesn't matter what Apple puts out. If it's trash, if it's garbage, it doesn't matter, because people are going to buy it regardless, because it's Apple. They are renowned with that. That's their whole fucking brand. Luxury products. When Apple does something, they do it amazingly. Will they actually make it? Will Apple actually make a foldable phone that is better than Samsung? And what price will it cost? You know, let's see the pricing first, because we all know that Apple products are expensive as shit. So if they do that with a phone, then they do that with a PC. Props to you. I guarantee you, I will probably switch to Apple products. I said it. You know, I said it. The Samsung S22 Ultra is amazing, but if Apple comes out with a fucking folding phone and I have the budget for that, hopefully this channel takes off, because I'm trying to make money out of this bitch so I can produce better videos, of course. You know, I will definitely get one in the future. I will definitely try to get a hold of some different phones so I can review them, and you know, you make this channel enjoyable for everyone else. So let me know what you think. Will Apple actually do it? Will it be a success? Will it be a flop? How would they go about it? You know, tell me, talk to me. Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel again, please. Subscribe to this channel. Give a like the video, that would help. And see you on my next one. Peace.